Introduction to underrunning overhead cranes. Underrunning overhead cranes are essential tools in many industries, designed to lift and move heavy loads efficiently. These cranes operate on rails mounted below the beams, helping to maximize vertical space in facilities. There are two main types of underrunning overhead cranes: single girder and double girder. Single girder design. A single girder crane uses one beam to support the hoist and lifting mechanism. This design is lighter and is best for lifting smaller loads, typically between 1 to 10 tons. It's ideal for areas where space is tight and provides an economical solution for lighter lifting tasks. Double girder design. In contrast, a double girder crane features two beams, offering enhanced strength and stability. This design is perfect for handling heavier loads or for material handling in low headroom workshops. It allows for greater lifting height and better hook access, making it suitable for demanding lifting operations. Both designs enhance efficiency and safety, making them valuable in various industrial settings.